There are robot vacuums that clean, and then there are systems designed to quietly take over one of the most repetitive parts of home care without demanding attention every day. Welcome to Buy with Confidence. Today, we are looking at the Ecovacs Deebot X12 Omnicyclone robot vacuum and mop. If you are managing a large home, have pets, or simply want a more hands-off way to maintain clean floors, this product is designed to be relevant. The purchase link is in the description for those who want to explore it further. This is not just a vacuum. It is a combined cleaning system that vacuums, mops, self-maintains, and adapts to different surfaces with a focus on reducing daily maintenance effort. Let's break down what actually matters in real use. Reason 1. Focus Jet Pre-Spray Cleaning System. Instead of immediately scrubbing dried stains, the X12 identifies and lightly pre-sprays targeted zones to loosen stubborn messes. This is especially useful in kitchens and entry areas where sticky residues or footprints build up. The result is less resistance during mopping and a more even clean across the floor. Reason 2. Ozimo Roller 3.0 Self-Washing Mop. Unlike traditional pad-based systems that can spread dirt over time, the roller continuously refreshes itself with clean water while cleaning. This helps reduce smearing and keeps hard floors consistently cleaner after each pass. It also improves hygiene during longer cleaning cycles. Reason 3. Blast 22,000 pascals suction performance. With high airflow engineering paired with strong suction power, this model is built to handle more than surface dust. It picks up fine particles, crumbs, and pet hair from both hard floors and carpets. In real-world use, this level of power matters most in deeper carpet sections and high-traffic zones. Reason 4. Zero Tangle 4.0 for pet hair control. Hair wrap is one of the most common frustrations with robot vacuums. Zero Tangle is designed to guide hair directly into the airflow path, reducing manual cleaning of the brush system. For pet owners, this can significantly reduce weekly maintenance efforts. Reason 5. Omnicyclone Bagless Station plus Power Boost Charging. The Bagless Station removes the need for disposable dust bags, which reduces ongoing cost and waste. Combined with fast top-up charging during docking cycles, the system is designed for larger homes where cleaning needs to continue across multiple rooms without long interruptions. Reason 6. Smart Surface Handling with Carpet Protection and AI Navigation. The system automatically lifts the mop and isolates moisture when detecting carpets, helping prevent unwanted wetting. At the same time, AI-based obstacle detection helps it navigate around cables, toys, and unpredictable floor clutter with more awareness than basic random path robots. Across multiple reviews and long-term users, it is trusted by many 5-star reviewers for its consistency and reduced manual intervention in daily cleaning routines. Final verdict: the Ecovacs Deebot X12 Omnicyclone is not trying to be the cheapest option, and it is not a minimal entry-level robot. It is designed for users who value automation, stronger cleaning performance, and reduced maintenance over time. The limitations are mainly around complexity and price, and like most advanced systems, it performs best when set up properly within a structured cleaning schedule. However, for larger homes, pet owners, and users who want a more complete automated cleaning solution, it stands out in its category. If you are considering upgrading your cleaning routine, this is a product worth evaluating carefully rather than rushing into. The goal here is simple: a cleaner home with less daily effort.